Any news on Scott?
Yeah, you can't do it.
Ah, really? Yeah, looking forward to doing some filming on his bike. Right, should we hit the road, fellas? Three Amigos right again. No stop. Again. Taniwha. Welcome very much for deciding to come on the ride with us. Dug out the motorcycle. It's got one little modification I'll show you. My favorite new t-shirt on, Dakota Customs, so shout out to Andreas in Spain. The video I did at his shop, then go back and have a look. Lucky shirt. Right, let's get the show on the road. So here's the modification. We've got a higher screen on here now, thanks to Rob's. He's giving me that, so we'll be trying that out, see what it's like. I'm just putting the panniers on the bike. Carry a lot of gear these days. I've got my standard kind of first aid kit and stuff, tyre repair, pump. There's also tyre gauge, but now I've got the drone in here. So it's excessive, but we've also got the EPIRB in there. Cool that down a bit. Okay, my advice is be the geek that knows what tyre pressures you've got. Check them often. You don't need expensive gear. You do it with a bicycle pump from Kmart. Just be aware of sort of pressures you're running, and it's the best thing you can do on the road. The other thing while we're talking about it is take a water bottle. If you haven't experienced dehydration on a motorcycle, it's something that sneaks up on you because you're staying relatively cool because of the air movement. Dehydration does wacky things to your mind, and then next thing you're not riding right. Hey, welcome along to today's ride. We're heading south and we're going to visit Murchison River Cafe and sample the best damn date and orange scone available probably in New Zealand. Then we're going to head off to Lake St Arnaud, converse with the Taniwha of the lake, and see what these chaps are up to. Have a fly over with the drone, check out the mountains, and have a yarn to a guy on an R1. But apart from that, it's just going to be motorcycle riding, because that's what we do on this channel. We just ride motorcycles. That's what it's all about. All right, let's go. was the best part of your ride?
Looping through the 80k section at 110.
Oh, yeah. I can't put that on tape though. Looping through that was beautiful, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And the great thing was that we were really fresh because we had that stop.
Yeah.
And it just felt so good.
I love looping through that, but I hate the speed limit on it. I love looping through it.
Of course, we do keep to the speed limit.
Oh, absolutely.
Unless on closed private roads, which I quite often ride those.
Private roads.
Those private roads. Yeah. What did you enjoy, David?
About today's ride.
Yeah.
Oh, just twisties. You know,
Twisties.
staying in the twist.
Yeah.
Following the lines.
Yeah. I mean, really, all keeping together and
Yep.
yeah, it was
Good tight riding.
yeah.
And this thing's fucking keeping up with them until eventually, you know, the bike suddenly just takes off. And but
This is awesome. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful looking machine. St Arnaud, this is the Lake Rotawiti, and yeah, beautiful day. Crack at putting the drone up. Crazy little machine. Hey whānau, if you enjoyed this video, then chuck up a like and subscribe, and there's plenty more roads to travel, and keep watching. Thanks.